Have you ever wondered how a boy who grew up in financial hardship became one of the world's most influential musicians while also earning a reputation as one of the most generous philanthropists? What truly shaped Min Yoongi, better known as Suga of BTS, into a person whose name represents not only extraordinary success but also compassion and kindness? There is a story that is rarely told in its entirety, a journey filled with sacrifice, setbacks, relentless hard work, and the life-changing decisions that transformed his future forever. Before we begin, let us know in the comments where you're watching from and how long you've been a fan of Suga or BTS. If you enjoy inspiring stories like this, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel so you won't miss our upcoming documentaries. Did Suga of BTS really grow up in financial hardship before becoming one of the world's biggest music stars? How did his journey lead him to become one of the most generous donors among the BTS members? Discover the inspiring story of Min Yoongi, a tale of perseverance, resilience, success, and the giving back that has inspired millions around the globe. Behind the dazzling stage lights, sold-out stadium concerts, and the worldwide fame lies a story that was never built on luxury. Min Yoongi was born on March 9, 1993 in Daegu, South Korea. His childhood was far from the glamorous life people often associate with international celebrities. He grew up in a modest household where every expense had to be carefully managed to meet the family's daily needs. From an early age, Yoongi developed a deep fascination with music. While many children spend their free time playing, he became captivated by the emotional power of songs. This curiosity gradually turned into a profound passion for hip-hop. He listened to both Korean and the international rap artists and slowly began dreaming of creating music of his own. However, pursuing that dream was not easy. At that time, choosing a career in music was considered highly uncertain. Many people viewed it as an unstable profession with little guarantee of success. Yoongi has shared that his family initially struggled to understand his determination to become a musician. This difference in perspective became one of the first major obstacles he had to overcome. Despite the financial challenges, he refused to give up on his dream. He began writing lyrics, learning music production, and teaching himself how to create beats. Every opportunity became a chance to improve his skills. He understood that talent alone would never be enough. Discipline, persistence, and the countless hours of practice would ultimately define his future. To support himself while continuing to pursue music, Yoongi worked part-time jobs. Although the income was limited, he used part of his earnings to continue creating music. During those years, he balanced work, study, and the songwriting, often pushing himself to exhaustion. Yet he remained committed because he believed that every sacrifice would eventually lead him closer to his goal. His life changed when he auditioned for Big Hit Entertainment. At that time, the company was still relatively small compared to South Korea's major entertainment agencies. There was no more guarantee that joining the company would lead to success. In fact, none doubted whether its trainees had any real future. Even so, Yoongi chose to take the risk. That decision became one of the greatest turning points of his life. He stepped outside his comfort zone to chase the dream he had spent years fighting for. Inside Big Hit's modest practice rooms, alongside the trainees who would later become BTS, he devoted countless hours to improving his rap skills, songwriting, and the music production. Few people realized that his trainee years were among the most difficult periods of his life. Besides the constant pressure to improve, he also faced ongoing financial struggles. Yet despite every challenge, he never lost faith that perseverance would eventually open the door to success. When BTS officially debuted in 2013, success did not arrive overnight. The group started from the bottom, performing at small events and gradually earning recognition. Yoongi played a vital role in shaping BTS's musical identity through his songwriting and the production. His life experiences gave his music honesty and the emotional depth, allowing it to resonate with listeners around the world. As time passed, BTS grew into a global phenomenon. Their albums topped international charts. Their concerts filled the world's largest stadiums, and the millions of fans supported them across every continent. The success transformed Yoonh's life completely, yet it never erased the memories of the hardships he had endured. Instead, those experiences shaped his outlook on life and inspired his commitment to helping others through meaningful acts of generosity. As BTS slowly began to gain recognition, Suga's responsibilities expanded far beyond standing on stage as a rapper. Behind the scenes, he devoted countless hours to writing lyrics, composing melodies, and producing music that reflected not only the group's identity, but also his personal experiences. His creative process was driven by authenticity rather than trends. He believed that music should tell honest stories, and that philosophy became one of the defining characteristics of his work. The group's early years were marked by uncertainty. BTS did not debut under one of South Korea's largest entertainment companies, and they faced fierce competition from established artists with far greater resources. Their schedules were demanding, their budget was limited, and every performance became an opportunity to prove themselves. Instead of allowing those obstacles to discourage him, Suga viewed each challenge as another reason to work harder. As BTS expanded its audience beyond South Korea, Suga's songwriting began reaching listeners from different cultures and languages. Songs that explored themes such as perseverance, self-worth, mental health, ambition, and personal growth resonated with millions of people. Fans appreciated that his lyrics rarely relied on empty optimism. Instead, they acknowledged pain, fear, and uncertainty while encouraging listeners to keep moving forward despite life's difficulties. Outside of BTS, Suga continued developing his artistic identity through his solo work under the name August. These projects allowed him to express thoughts and emotions that reflected his own journey. Rather than presenting an image of perfection, he spoke openly about pressure, expectations, and the emotional weight that often accompanies success. This honesty earned him respect, not only as a performer, but also as a songwriter and producer capable of connecting with audiences on a deeply personal level.